Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to NIAS Home School. I am Farhana Yasmin, Assistant Teacher of Morning Shift. Now I am going to take a class 4, class 8. Our subject is English second paper and our today's topic is changing voice. Today is lecture number 4 and homework 4 will be given today. So dear students, look at today's lesson. We are going to change from active to passive. Number 1, change the following from active to passive. So let's look at the first sentence. Do it at once. This is an imperative sentence. So let's see how to do it. You have done before and so you already know that we start usually with let when we have an imperative sentence. So using let here, let it be done at once. The subject, then we are using be, and then we are using past participle of the verb, and the rest is here. Let it be done at once. Look at number B. Do not beat the dog. Here we have a negative. So let's see how we are using the negative. Let the dog not be beaten. We have used the negative here. You can also use it after let. Let not the dog be beaten. That's also correct. And if you write let the dog not be beaten, that's also correct. Number C, work hard. So we have these two words here. Let's see how to do it. You are advised to work hard. As you don't have any object here, you can do it this way. Work hard, this is an advice. So you can write you are advised to work hard. If there is no object, you can do it in this way. Number D, make some tea for the guests. Let's see how to do it. Let some tea, then be past participle of the verb. Let some tea be made for the guests. Rest of the sentence. Let some tea be made for the guests. Look at the next one. Bring me a chair. Let's see how to do it. Let a chair be past participle brought for me. Here see, before me we are using a preposition. Okay? For me. Okay dear students, let's look at the next page. Number F, his behavior surprised me. Okay, this is not an imperative sentence, this is assertive, but it is a bit different than other assertive sentences because we have to change the preposition. Let's see the solution. I was surprised at his behavior, not by his behavior. With surprised, we are using at. So there are some verbs where you don't use by when you are changing the voice. You have to use a suitable preposition with that verb. I was surprised at his behavior. Number G is also same. I know him. The solution will be he is known to me and not by me. Okay? So there are some verbs that take different prepositions than by. Okay? These are known as appropriate prepositions, so you need to be careful about this. Okay, this was today's discussion. Let's look at the homework for today. We have 6 sentences here. This will be your homework. Number A, throw the ball. Number B, he annoyed me. Number C, this topic might interest students. Number D, don't touch it. Number E, always tell the truth. Number F, let him help his brother. Okay dear students, in number F, the sentence starts with let, but this is not given in passive. So please think about the sentences and try to do them properly. Okay dear students, this was today's class. Please do the homework carefully and practice more at home. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.